Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Presidential Decree number 532 in relation to highway robbery or brigandage. Under Presidential Decree 532, highway robbery or brigandage is the seizure of any person for ransom, extortion, or other unlawful purposes, or the taking away of the property of another by means of violence against or intimidation of person or force upon things of other unlawful means committed by any person on any Philippine highway. Ito ay isang krimen na nagagawa ng kahit sino sa pamamagitan ng pagkuha sa ibang tao para makakuha ng ransom o para huthutan o sa ibang illegal na layunin, o pagkuha ng mga ari-arian ng ibang tao sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng dahas o pananakot o pagsira sa mga bagay-bagay. Itong krimen na ito ay nagagawa sa Philippine Highway. Ano ang sakop nitong Philippine Highway? It refers to any road, street, passage, highway, and bridges or other parts thereof, or railway or railroad within the Philippines, used by persons or vehicles, or locomotives or trains for the movement or circulation of persons or transportation of goods, articles, or property, or both. Ano ang difference ng brigandage under Article 306 at highway robbery or brigandage under PD 532? As to consummation of the crime. In Article 306, formation of at least 4 armed men for the purpose of committing robbery on the highway consummates the crime. In Presidential Decree 532, actual commission of the crime will consummate the crime. Sa Article 306, formation pa lang liable na sila. Sa PD 532, dapat na-commit yung robbery mismo para ma-consummate yung crime. As to place of commission, both robbery is committed on the highway. As to number of offenders, in Article 306, the offenders must be at least 4 armed men. In Presidential Decree 532, it can be committed by a single offender because the law uses the word any person. As to who are the victims, in Article 306, the unlawful acts are directed not only against specific, intended, or preconceived victims, but against any and all prospective victims anywhere on the highway and whoever they may potentially be. Yung victim ay either alam or sinadya kung sino or kahit sino. In Presidential Decree 532 or highway robbery, it requires that commission of robbery is not on the spur-of-the-moment decision by the accused. It requires habituality or regularity, and the commission thereof is indiscriminate and not against a predetermined victim, that is, against any traveling person. Dito sa highway robbery, hindi po planado kung sino ang victim. Ang victims po ay kahit sino na dumaan sa highway. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.